Ava, I spent years studying grammar rules, but couldn't use them in real conversation.
Same. Then I discovered you can learn grammar naturally without traditional studying.
Today, we're sharing how to absorb grammar through immersion and practice, not memorization.
This is how children learn their first language, through exposure, not rules.
Let's explain the difference between studying grammar and acquiring grammar.
Studying grammar means memorizing rules. Present perfect uses have, has, plus past participle.
Acquiring grammar means naturally knowing what sounds right through exposure.
Native speakers don't think about rules. They just know I have seen is correct and I have saw is wrong.
They acquired this knowledge through hearing it thousands of times.
We can acquire grammar the same way through massive input and practice.
Method 1. Read extensively in English without analyzing grammar.
Just read for enjoyment. Novels, articles, blogs, anything interesting.
Your brain subconsciously notices patterns. Oh, after have comes this form of verb.
You're not consciously studying, but your brain is absorbing grammar patterns.
Method 2. Listen to natural English constantly.
Podcasts, shows, YouTube videos, audiobooks, flood your ears with English.
You'll start noticing how sentences are structured, what words go together, what order feels natural.
After enough exposure, incorrect grammar will just sound wrong to you.
Method 3. Copy and imitate sentences you encounter.
When you read a well-formed sentence, write it down and create similar sentences.
For example, I've been learning English for 3 years. Now make your own. I've been working here for 6 months.
You're internalizing the pattern without memorizing the rule.
Method 4. Focus on chunks and phrases, not individual words.
Learn used to as one phrase, not 3 separate words with rules.
I used to live in Tokyo. Memorize this as a chunk, then substitute words. I used to play piano.
Chunks naturally contain correct grammar, so you're using grammar correctly without thinking about rules.
Method 5. Write daily and get corrections.
Write a journal, social media posts, emails, anything that makes you construct sentences.
Use tools like Grammarly or language exchange apps where people correct you.
You see your mistakes corrected in context, which teaches grammar naturally.
Method 6. Speak as much as possible without worrying about grammar perfection.
Your conversation partners will naturally correct big errors or look confused, giving you immediate feedback.
This real-time correction is more effective than studying grammar rules alone.
Now let's address when you do need explicit grammar study.
Some grammar points are hard to acquire naturally and benefit from brief explanation.
Articles, a and the, prepositions, and irregular verbs often need some explicit learning.
But even then, use the 80-20 rule.
Spend 20% of time on grammar explanations, 80% on input and practice.
Quick grammar review plus massive practice beats pure grammar study.
Let's share what happened when we switched from studying to acquiring grammar.
I stopped making the same repeated mistakes. Through reading and listening, I naturally absorbed correct patterns.
My speaking became more fluent because I wasn't mentally checking grammar rules before speaking.
And paradoxically, my grammar accuracy improved when I stopped focusing on it.
Because your brain learned patterns naturally through exposure.
Now let's give practical weekly routines for natural grammar acquisition.
Monday through Wednesday, read for 20 minutes daily. Fiction, news, blogs, whatever you enjoy.
Thursday, Friday, listen to 30 minutes of natural English, podcasts, shows, YouTube videos.
Saturday, write for 15 minutes. Journal, story, opinion piece, anything.
Sunday, speak English for 20 minutes. Language exchange, talking to yourself, recording yourself.
This balanced input and output naturally builds grammar knowledge.
What about grammar mistakes? Should we ignore them?
Notice them, but don't obsess. If someone corrects you, repeat the correct version a few times.
Then move on. The correct pattern will sink in through repetition in various contexts.
Let's give encouragement. This method feels slower at first.
Traditional grammar study gives you quick knowledge of rules. Natural acquisition feels gradual.
But the grammar you acquire naturally is more automatic and usable in real conversation.
It's the difference between knowing the rules of swimming versus actually being able to swim.
Rules help, but practice in the water is what makes you a swimmer.
Final tips for natural grammar acquisition.
Consume content slightly above your level. Challenging but comprehensible.
Too easy equals no learning. Too hard equals frustration. Sweet spot is 70 to 80% comprehension.
Notice patterns you see repeatedly. Oh, I keep seeing have been verbing in stories about past situations.
Don't translate grammar patterns from your native language. English has its own logic.
Be patient. Natural acquisition takes months, not days, but the results are deeper and more lasting.
All right, everyone. Starting today, consume 20 minutes of English content daily.
Read or listen without analyzing grammar. Just absorb naturally.
In 3 months, your grammar will improve without conscious study.
See you in the next video.
Absorb grammar, don't memorize it.